Helix is a hands-up ride right out of the station because we're gonna drop and then loop. Hooray! Oh, I love it. Here we go, guys. Oh, first launch. Go, go, go! Whee! Oh, man. Hooray! Whee! And here we go. Oh! And one more! Woo! I love going through the rock work. Ready? Airtime! Yay! Whee! Oh! Oh, man! Under the coaster! Around the coaster! And through the tunnel! Launch! Go! 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 Whee! Here we are! Oh, man! Woo! Would you like more airtime? Sure! Woo! Oh! And some twistiness just for the hell of it! And one last upside downy bit. Woo! How was that, guys? All right, guys, here we go. We are dropping right out of the station. That's right. Oh my God! Right into the first inversion. Oh, that's how things are done here on Helix. That's right. We go through the trees. Get ready for it. Go, go, go! Here we go. Whee! Oh my God! Oh, I love this ride. It's built up on the hillside. Oh! Get ready for it. One inversion after the other. More. Here we go. Oh my God! Sure, we'll give that to you. Woo! Oh, oh man! Oh! That's my through the log flume into the tunnel. Get ready! Go, go, go! Helix, go! Here we are at the highest point of the ride, right here. Woo! Oh, one more airtime! Yay! That airtime delivered. Woo! More twisty bits. It is twisty and through the trees. One more inversion, guys. And then right here into the brakes. Woo! Oh. What was the beep, beep, beep?
I like that. I want to do that. Will they let me press the horn?
All right, we're riding front seat of Valkyria.
Woo!
You excited?
I'm so excited.
You know there's going to be a lot of airtime
There's gonna
in
be a
our
lot of
future.
airtime.
Oh, this is a steep lift hill. It's a pretty steep drop also. All right, guys, here we go. We're riding Balder at Liseberg here in Sweden. Still one of our favorite wooden roller coasters. Are you ready to go 70 degrees?
70 degrees.
Here we go! Get ready for it! Oh! Oh! Whee! Oh! There is some amazing airtime on this ride. Ready? Tunnel airtime! Woo! Oh! Whee! Oh man! Here we go! Oh my God! Oh my! That was 2 in a row! 2! Oh, here we go again! Tunnel airtime! Oh! Oh! First we go curvy, curvy, curvy! And then get ready for it, everybody! Ready? Yay! Yay! 2 more in a row! Oh! Oh man! Ready? Whee! Whee! Oh wow! Woo! Oh! How was that?
So good.
That was a lot of airtime. What would you count, like 8, 11 moments of airtime?
I
Just
count
over
them.
and over. That was a lot. All right, guys, here we go.
Night rides on Balder.
Night rides on Balder. Kind of night rides.
Midsummer night rides on Balder.
Midsummer. What month are we in right now?
June.
And what time is it? Like 10:30 at night?
Yup.
We are 10:30 at night, night rides. And as you can see, the rest of the park, there is some sunset glow over Boulder right now.
Oh, look at that.
It's beautiful. Look at that. Fantastic.
You know what
All
else is
right, here we go. What?
You know what else is fantastic?
Boulder?
This first drop.
Oh my God, here we go! Oh, wow! Whee! Oh, crap! Oh my God! Look at this. Ready? Here we go!
I'm ready.
Tunnel air time! Oh, wow! Jeez. Oh, here we go. Turn, turn, turn. 2 in a row, guys. 2 in a row. 1, 2. Oh. All right, here we go.
Go, go, go.
More tunnel air time. Oh. Ready for another 2 in a row?
Do it.
Whee! Whee! Oh, wow. Oh, final run. Whee! Whee! Oh, God. Oh. How was your Boulder night ride?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Here we go. Right into the sun.
Oh, sun.
That is the Swedish sun melting us here on Vakyria. How you guys doing over there?
I can't see, I just see sun.
Pontus, how are you doing?
I don't see anything.
Yay! We are blinded by the beautiful sunlight.
It is kind of midsummer time.
Oh, here we go, guys.
That's better.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Wow.
I think the view from up here is like,
Oh my
look at
God.
that. It is beautiful. Oh my God.
Oh dear.
I'm never quite prepared for these rides. Oh, you know what they say? Don't look down, because here we go! Ah! Whee! Oh my God! Oh! Woo! Oh, wow! Get ready for it! Twistiness! Oh, I love it! Woo! Oh! There's a pump of air time, and we're hanging upside down! Woo! Oh my God! These dive coasters still scare the bejesus out of me. All right, get ready. Here we go. You know what they say? Don't look down! Oh, wow! Whee! Oh, let's get twisty! Oh! Woo! Oh, man! I can feel the wind on this one. And into the brakes. Oh my God, what a great ride. Woo! Yay! We're riding Luna here at Liseberg. This is their newest roller coaster, isn't
I'm
it?
excited. Look at this. It's like in 17 other roller coasters.
I like it. Look, there's hello Schwarzkopf roller coaster over there.
Oh!
Oh my God! Oh, we have stopped, and we're going! Hooray! Whee! Oh! I like there was like a little bump of air time there. Woo! Yay! There's Helix. There's the plane ride.
Woo!
Oh, is this a vertical spike? Oh! How are you doing over
I like
there?
the backwards part of it.
You love the backwards part. The best part of the boomerang is the backwards part, right? Luna. How's it going there, Luna?
We're done.
Yay! We've done Luna! Hooray! All right, here we go. Floor goes down. You know what that means. That's right, backwards. Here we go. See you guys later! Oh, man. I always get nervous. I have no idea when this thing is actually going to go. Oh, there's a lot of roller coasters. Hello, Helix. Hello, Schwarzkopf. Oh, my God. We're going way over there to that vertical spike. Oh my God, here we go, guys. Whee! Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh! Oh man. Oh! I love that it's built in all the other rides in this park. Woo! Oh! Backwards bar! Whee! Oh man. Hello, Helix. Hello, Lisebergbanan. Woo! Back at Luna Station. That was good.
Hey, great ride.
Here we go, guys. Lisebergbanan. Yay! Oh, that sun is melting on my brain. Here we go, up the side of the hill. Here you can see the rest of Liseberg over here, through the trees. This is such a fun, classic Schwarzkopf ride. All right, here we go. Love this ride. Here we go, guys. Oh! Woo! Oh, under Helix. Oh, man. Hooray! Oh! Whee! Oh, there was some airtime there for sure. Oh! Oh, here we go. Oh, there's Helix. Hello, Helix. Beautiful Helix. Oh! Whee! Oh my God. It's not the fastest coaster in the world, but it sure feels fast. Here we go. Oh! Woo! All right. No brakes, no brakes, no brakes. Oh! Woo! Oh man, we are traveling over the log flume, around the hillside. Whee! A little bit of airtime. Oh man, this is such a fun ride. Very long. Woo! Very fast and awesome. Oh man. Oh, gotta love that. And here we go into the brakes. Woo! Bye-bye.
Oh.
Kiddie coaster number 1. Here we go, guys.
Let's go. Into the sun.
Yay! Are we gonna get wet on this ride?
It's a kiddie coaster. What are you talking about?
I don't know. Hooray! There couldn't possibly be a water feature, right? Yay! Oh! Hooray! Oh, and that's it, right? No water feature?
It's over.
Oh my God! Oh! Okay, we got this wet a tiny bit. I think it got, the people in the front were a lot more wet than we were.
Yeah.
This is why you guys are not getting a front seat POV, because we were smart. We sat in the back.
Or it's drier.
Yes.
On the kiddie coaster.
Yes. Oh my God. Round number 2. It really wants to try to get us wet. Yay! Oh God. Let's see. Will it happen? Oh, see, everyone in the front's getting wet. Oh, turn off. Oh! Sarah, did you get a little bit wet?
They're a little bit wet.
All right. Okay. All right, guys.
Hold on, hands up. I don't know what I can take.
So you wanted a video of every roller coaster at Liseberg. That includes this little guy right here. This is the kiddie version of Balder. Yay! Hooray! Oh, look, there's an airtime hill, just like on Balder. Oh, we're going around again. Yay! Round number 2. I have a feeling we're going to go round number 3, aren't we? Maybe. Spoiler
Are we
alert.
that lucky?
Maybe. Here we go! Yay! guys? Yes, round number 3. I told you. I know I spoiled the ride for you. I'm sorry. Excitement levels through the roof. Let's do it. Yay! Hooray! Yay, airtime hill! Yay! And that is the kiddie version of Balder.